Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sam Brown, and today we're doing a video on my first month of YouTube and how it's gone. I'm actually really happy with it, and I'm really happy with the amount of views I've got, and I love the support you guys have given me, and I just love everybody who watches my videos. Yeah, for me it's just a bit of fun, and I don't know, just share some knowledge and yeah, just test the waters really and see how it goes. And yeah, it's been taken really well, and I've really enjoyed making the content. This will be my 28th video, so it counts in YouTube terms, that counts as a month. They do a month as 28 days, not 30 days. So in the last month, this will be my last video of this month in YouTube terms. So I've uploaded every single day. I'm gonna go to uploading 5 days a week, maybe. I'm thinking about doing that because it's quite hard to upload every single day, and it means I could probably make some more quality content. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you're about to see how much money I've made from YouTube so far. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, YouTube. Let's go to our analytics. YouTube use your last 28 days. They count that as a month. So I'm just gonna say I made 20. This is my 28th video, so my first month on YouTube, and I'm just gonna be breaking down the stats and how I've done. So to firstly say I haven't made any money, not monetized yet. You need 4,000 watch hours, and I've got 40, and you need 1,000 subscribers, and I've got 46. However, I hope to get there by maybe end of 2021. Yeah, probably by the end of 2021 I hope to be monetized. Anyway, let's just break down the stats. So to start with, I was gaining a few views, it was doing alright, but then it was about here I started to consistently get a few more views, and yeah, I started getting more traction. See, on this day, it was right after I posted that video of Kenyan Ken, I got almost 300 views, and then it kind of went a bit downhill, and it over the last few weeks, pretty much the last week and a half, I've started gaining very little views a day. It's still alright, it's still like 30 a day, which is fine for quite a small starting channel. It's not as good as I would have wanted. Anyway, moving on to my watch time. My watch time, it starts off, it's roughly an hour a day. Like, you got some bad days, 0.5, and then you got some better 2.1 hours. My best day was 6.4 hours, which, if I consistently hit every single day, I'd be close to the monetization, and I got the 1,000 subscribers, and I continue to grow like that, I'd probably get monetized quite by the end of this year. But that was just after the video of Kenyan Ken, and it was a bit of a longer video. Anyway, you can see like the spikes, and the videos that get more watch time and hours. Then my subscribers, I haven't had any subscribers for like the last 5 days, which is weird. I was normally getting like 1 to 3. On the day I did the video of Kenyan Ken, I got 8 subscribers, which is sick. I literally wouldn't. That's amazing for a start. Anyway, let's go on to my impressions. So this is every time someone like sees my thumbnail of a video and sees basically YouTube put it forward to them. So I've got 7,300. My click-through rate, so the percentage of, so around 12 people for every 100 people will click on one of my videos, which is alright. It's kind of gone down a bit. As it gets shown to more people, it normally goes down, which isn't great, but it's not too bad. Then 2.4k views and 1,000 unique viewers. That's an alright number. That means people are coming back to watch my videos a few times. It's not too bad. Engagement. Now, this is the thing that I'm really seeing like gradually go up, and I know it will go up tomorrow because I made a longer video and it was averaging like 2 minutes or something, so that should go up, and it will start to gain traction. Watch time again, yeah, not too bad. Audience, yeah, average views per viewer 2.3, not too bad. Most of my viewers are from the United States, so anybody from the United States, hi. That's really cool, you guys watch me. Thank you very much for watching me. United Kingdom, my home country, Canada and Germany. It's amazing. Some German people are watching my channel. It's amazing how many people can watch it. Now, not subscribed 78%, guys. Come on, we got to get that up. I want it to. Realistically, I want it to be like 50-50 or 60-40. Not subscribed. If we can do that, guys, please subscribe, because there's a giveaway. And this channel is literally my dream. I love anything entrepreneurial, and I just love making these videos. They're so fun to make, and they are really my passion. So please subscribe. You'd be helping me out so much. And every time I see somebody subscribe, it just makes me so happy. And yeah, I just love getting that notification on my phone that somebody's subscribed. So please, guys, please subscribe. Anyway, most of people that watch are male, well, 98.6%, which I'm kind of surprised about. And then yeah, it's kind of spread out. I don't know why this is so many people watch. I guess yeah, everyone's kind of interested in all age groups. Anyway, I hope to be appealing more to this kind of these younger age groups in the future, but I appreciate anybody watching my videos, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's go to my videos. So I've uploaded daily for the last month, pretty much. And my most viewed video is my first video, actually. And that's got 303 views, 14 likes, I think 1 dislike. Yeah, so not too bad. And then my next most viewed video was one I did quite recently, 6th of May, so a few weeks ago. And that's got over 200 views. So yeah, some videos just do well, like this one to start with. It's kind of weird, this one, because it went in the first like hour, it gained like 100 views, and then it's just stayed really flat, whereas most of them just kind of like gain a few views a day. Like I'll show you, like just go random, like this one. Oh, this one's quite flat as well, but overall my videos do seem to get like 1 or 2 views a day, and they keep on getting a few views. I was very lucky to have these 2 people on my channel. I'd just like to say a big thank you to both of these. First of all, Lewis Ellis from The Apprentice, British TV show, also in America, but this is a guy from the British version. He was really nice, and he answered my questions well, so I really appreciate that. It's only got 50 or so views. But this one with Kenyan Ken did brilliantly, 150 views, which is great for my channel, and a few subscribers, and it's still getting a few views. Like if I go down now, yeah, it's got 2 views in the last 48 hours, which I'll take. Like what I want to do is by building up like this channel and making more and more videos. So like maybe by the end of this year I'll have 300 videos. They'll continue to get like 1 view per 48 hours, meaning that I still continue to get like 300 views in 48 hours, whatever, even if I don't upload, which I know is quite hard, but yeah, that's what I kind of hope to get from the future. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my content, and please do subscribe, because it means the absolute world to me. Anyway, with my I need to get this number, 40 hours, to I need to get that to 4,000, which is pretty hard, but I will do it, and I'm absolutely dedicated to doing it, and I really love this channel, so hopefully we can get there. I'm gonna make some longer videos so we can get there, and I hope by end of 2021 we can do it. Let's just have a quick look at my playlist. I find this is a great way to start a series and give your channel a kind of theme, and give it some focus. And like this is what I'm doing at the moment, 100k to 1 million series. Just a quick sneak peek on that. We're up to almost 156k. This should go up quite a lot, but yeah, that challenge is going so well. We're less than a month into it, we've already made 56k. So I don't know, some of you guys say I'm too young, and it's just virtual money, but like to me, I'm treating it like real money, because pretty much my whole channel is on this, and it's pretty much my whole series. Yep, 156k would just back down, but still. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
I hope you guys are doing well, and please make sure to subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.